I'm gonna show you how to set stop loss on Trading212. So to get started, you have to open your application or your browser from app Trading212. So from here, you can see that it's in Forex. So you have to select any market that you like. Then for me, I'm just gonna click on this Euro USD, and then I'm gonna click on maximize this pane. And then from there, the chart will show after you click on it. And then after that, you will now set your stop loss by if you wanted to buy or sell. So from here, you can see that there's a sell and buy button right here on the right side pane. And from here, we're just gonna try to sell. And then from here, just click on sell. And then from there, you just have to input your value or your limit stop or your market value. For me, I'm just gonna click on market. And then from there, you just have to input your deposit or your value. For me, I'm just gonna try to input $1,000. And then from here, you can now edit your take profit. All you have to do is just click on take profit. And then from there, you can just input whatever you want. And to edit your stop losses, all you have to do is just click on the bottom right pane and then set your desired location or distance from your entry point. So from here, I'm just gonna click on that on the default. Then after that one, you set your take profit and stop loss. You just have to click on confirm sell. And then after that, it will show you the stop loss on your chart and your profit on the chart. So that's how you set stop loss on Trading212.